Hello, everybody. My name is Ahmed, and I'm going to take you through the presentation today, which is going to be about communication. Before I start, I have chosen this picture to represent a form of communication that's really important. It's in our family that's when we connect together, we see absolute happiness. And if we need communication to happen, nothing is as much of importance as a family together, working together, achieving together. So, in this training, our agenda was designed to cover two things. To answer the very first question, what is the fundamental process of communication? And from that, we will get into the second part, which is how the difference between verbal and nonverbal communication creates a difference. Let's kickstart. Please open your mobile and scan this QR code on the left of the screen. Well done. So I'm seeing that a lot of people are doing verbally and non-verbally, and some other are doing the both verbally and non-verbally. Let's see the correct answer. As you can see, those who made it verbally only, it's not 100% wrong, but what's happening is we do not everything by talking or saying words, right? And those who have chosen the non-verbally, actually for communication, yes, there is a huge part about it is non-verbally. But if you think about it, you'll find that we say words with it. And it's not only about the body language, for example, that we're using. So the correct answer is both verbally and non-verbally. Well done on that. Reflecting on this slide, we see two young kids playing together, and they are looking together and holding the books on their heads. Apparently, someone is experiencing heaviness and another is experiencing some joy. Maybe they are wondering. Communication is about a judgment that's happening between people, as we can see, and as I can reflect myself telling you this. I look to the definition even of the slide and say, oh my God, that's a lot of wordings there. How can I get it? So if you read it already, and if you have seen what's written there, let me simplify it to you, because communication is about simplicity. If I imagine that there's a sender, somebody who wants to talk, and somebody who wants to receive what's being talked, I will call her here the receiver, and I will call him the sender. Both, they need to send something, and both need to return the talk that they were talking. Indeed, it's about a message that I want to say to the other, and you need to say to me as well. It's about the words that we are using that can create a difference. And here we're looking for positive difference, because some words can get into negative and bad difference, or even a body language, which can create a great difference as well. And definitely, our tone of voice is playing a big part in all that. All this can happen in a simple communication that happens between two or more people. Because it's a process of exchange that's really important, feedback is important as well. So as I have simplified to you the concept, let's see what you have understood. Please scan this QR code and let's see how things are. When we start the Mentimeter here, we'll discover that communication, or from the above definition, one can conclude that communication is a message between the two or more people. It's a message through words and nonverbal cues, and it's a message transmitted by a sender, and the receiver decodes the message. Well done. If while talking to you, I have said, for example, hello, my name is Ahmed and I'm happy to see you here. If you see it this way, you will feel so happy. But if I said, "Hello, my name is Ahmed, and I'm happy to see you here," definitely it has another echoing in my ears. The words from communication and from different studies, they have found that it represents only 7% of communication that we do on a day and night. Tone of voice is 38%. Oh my God. And as you can see, when I was speaking and saying, "Hello, my name is Ahmed, and I'm happy to see you here," the different ways can create a kind of transaction between you and me and say, you want to establish this kind of talk or not, right? And the body language that I have used, you didn't see it, but it was reflected in my tone of voice. If I was there, you would give a higher degree onto nonverbal than the verbal. So if we match or if we add together the tone of voice and the body language, we'll find that they are 93% of our communication and only 7% is our verbals. And this is an important lesson we have to understand. The reason why in our life we're having troubles, simply because we don't take care of the nonverbal, which is the 93%. According to that, one can say it's not what you say, but how you say it. Very, very important to take care of this point. It's a life lesson for many. We should consider the way we talk to other, because in the body language, if I point fingers, some people might see it offensive. Even if I call somebody and I pop my finger the way you're seeing it on the screen, it can reflect another difference. And also, if I have somebody standing that way with their hands in their pockets, then there's another meaning. Maybe they don't want to talk to me. Maybe they are not available. And all this is about culture and cultural difference. So with culture, you have to consider that you are dealing with people from different backgrounds and different environments. And you have to know what is the best communication and different body language can play with this communication. I'm happy that I have concluded this session with you. The key takeaways are: communication is an exchange of information and ideas between people. Our nonverbal messages count for 93% of our message to others. Definitely, words only represent 7%. And finally, be aware of cultural differences and its impact on building a positive connection with others. Any question? Now that I have finished that, I have a bonus for you. If you use your QR code and scan this, you will find a free e-learning lesson that I have designed exclusively for you to enjoy more of understanding the communication and its role in your life and how to really adjust your communication techniques according to certain situation with people. I hope you have liked it. My name is Ahmed Saadallah, and I was really, really happy to be with you. I wish you have a great day.